So now we are back on the main view of the keyword clustering tool, and I wanted to focus on this feature called the SERP feature filter. You remember for every single cluster, SERP is also extracting information about the dominant SERP feature, and this is quite interesting to guide your content strategy beyond just blog content. And let's say now I want to figure out all cluster where video box, so like where when Google display a video box at the top is present. I click video box and now I can figure out all the cluster where video is strong. So here, if I check here, the little icon, video 90%. So it means that for 9 over 10 keywords, there is a video box, right? So maybe also here you can figure out some potential YouTube video to create, HubSpot versus MailChimp, how to create a marketing automation workflow. Well, here I'm already ranking well, so also here, again, you have to understand, you have to figure out your own strategy. Maybe just focus where you're not ranking well, or where you are ranking, let's say in the top 5 to 30, let's say, and you want to maybe boost existing article with a video. So here you can figure out, yes, okay, automated need scoring, I have an article, so maybe let's create also a video with that, and so on. So you get the point. This is an interesting filter to really figure out where videos are strong, but it doesn't stop at videos. You can also select AI overviews, forums, videos, images. People also ask, related searches, feature snippet, and local pack. Obviously here there is no local pack, but if you have a more local SEO strategy, you can figure out as well where local pack is quite strong. So let's check also about the forums. You know that forums is quite important with AI search, LLMs, ChatGPT, Gemini are all getting also the data from user-generated forums like Reddit. So I select forum here, and I can see this cluster that we already analyzed in the previous video. Let's click here, and then if you go in the SERP features, you click on forum. So here 5 times over 10. And if you click here, we can see all the forums and also for which keywords are triggered. So this forum, for instance, is the most important one because it's triggered by 4 keywords. So let's click here. And then you will end up on the forum, and maybe you can start engaging with the community and drop some information, maybe drop your product name, but this is maybe not the way to go. I will let you define your own way to engage in forum, but you also get this information with through. So don't hesitate to check as well the SERP feature filter and go beyond just content, create videos, engage on forums, and see also how you can optimize your brand presence in AI overviews.